Maybe you should think twice. Would you wanna be like you? How you gonna reply? Would you wanna be like you?
This is me trying not to have a freak out. I thought everything was recorded up until this point, and then I realized nothing had actually recorded. So I will be showing you everything on the other eye that I did on this eye from start to finish. But I'm just going in now with my Louise Rumor Zero base on this eye to really carve out that cut crease. So today I'm using my Midas Cosmetics Flower Bomb palette, and I'm going in with the shade Lily, all on my lid. It's a beautiful white shade. Do a little celebratory weird face for the fact that it was even and looked good. Everything was sharp and crisp. Now I'm going in with the shade Plumeria for my winged liner. Okay, so now I'll be able to show you from start to finish on my eye what I'm doing. I am taking the shade Hummingbird from my Flower Bomb palette, and I am using it on a small eyebrow brush to trace out the shape I want my cut crease to be. Now that I have my shape mapped out, I'm going in with a small fluffy blending brush and taking that same Hummingbird color and just blending and diffusing upward. Now to blend that previous color out even more, I'm going in with the color Hydrangea, and I am just blending and diffusing once more. Now I'm going back in with my eyebrow brush and the Hummingbird color once more, just to redefine and sharpen that line and add pigmentation back where it was. And a tip I have also is to just take a step back and look in the mirror just to make sure that things are perfectly even. Another tip I have is to take makeup remover, a cotton swab, and then using that to clean up and erase any mistakes and just redefine that line. Now I'm going back in with my Louise Rumor Zero base. Now since everything is cleaned up, it'll be a lot easier to cut my crease. Now going back into my Midas Cosmetics Flower Bomb palette, I'm taking the color Orchid on my lower lash line. And fun fact, purple orchids are actually my mom's favorite flower. And as beautiful as that purple color was, I needed a little bit more dimension, so I went in with the Hummingbird dark blue color stamped on my lower lash line close to my lashes. Now I'm taking my Blackmon Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Jellyfish on the inner corner for my highlight. It's a stunning iridescent blue highlighter that has like a shift to it. And on top of that highlighter, I took the shade Kala from the Flower Bomb palette. It is a glitter shade with a shift to it. This is my first time playing with the Flower Bomb palette and even testing anything from Midas Cosmetics in general, and I will say I really loved how this look turned out. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.
Maybe you should think twice, would you wanna be like you?